In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your avatar fully black in Roblox. Now, before I get into the video, I just want to say, please make sure you pay close attention to this so that you get every step correct and you don't miss anything out. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing we actually need to do, I'd recommend just removing anything that isn't black off of your character. So any hair, anything like that. And then going ahead and going over to the skin tone section, go to advanced and change it to black here so that your whole skin tone is black. So now that we've done that, we actually need to go ahead and get a few items. So we're going to go to the marketplace and we're going to type in this thing here. So I think it's type aloe. Aloe, the one that we need is aloe crew neck. This one here, we need this one here. It costs 5 Robux and it's all black, as you can see. So basically you want to buy that and you want to equip it, and then once you've got that, you'll go back to your avatar and you can actually add it to yourself. So you'll have put that on there and that'll be black. And then your legs, you can actually make your legs black as well, which is pretty easy. Body parts, oh, no clothing. Bottoms, yeah, you can make them black as well. Basically, once you've equipped all those, your skin should be completely black, and that's basically how you do it. Now, if you did enjoy this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and also comment down below that this video did help you and that you've got a cool character now. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.